ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the price to drop because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this correction in relative to this for the, all right, that's mean we have been looking for these three waves, the structure. We mentioned if you get any reversal for long term, we want to look for buy. And we mentioned how deep the price can drop, and we are expecting the price drop to 1.0 because we had this line since long time ago, and as we can see exactly the price tag and reverse. Okay, now we want to see whether we can look for the reversal because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this correction as a three waves structure. And how deep we mentioned with the price can drop, we have been looking for the price to drop to 1.0. All right, and as we see again the price tag and reverse, the only things right now we're looking for, we want to see this is the last wave and can we expect the price to reverse, or still we can expect to get the correction and the price can drop somehow, because if the next drop, mostly we can expect this to see the breakout of 1.0. Okay, but the only thing is we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We are more interested for the price to break the lowest price of the correction, right, which is was somewhere around here. And then from there we mentioned if we get any reversal we can look for buy. Anyway, right now we want to see whether we can look for continuation, because if we refer to our analysis, we explain about all the ways we can look at the chart. We have been looking for this flat, and we put this one as the last wave relative to this internal flat. We explain about all these things, and right now what I'm looking for, I want to see whether we can look for the reversal or not. Based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup unless we get the correction, but we had the opportunity to look for buy based on 1 hour chart. Okay, first things, there was opportunity to look for buy from here. Most of the chart they had a similar they have a similar movement. That's why we didn't have for all the charts individually, and we try to explain based on Bitcoin, ETH, and a Ripple. Then I mentioned the rest of the chart they have a similar explanation because of the situation and the way they are moving. But from now, we try to give the all the charts, each chart in the, I mean, we share the analysis individually. At least we see how we can look for trade. Anyway, whoever get the trade there from this correction and relative to this, right now they should start to manage, because as I mentioned, we are looking for the reversal. We want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. We cannot confirm this is the start of the reversal. But from now, any trade setup for buy, if we get the opportunity, we take the trade when we start to manage it. But for the short term, if we put our fib here in relative to this as a 27 and 61%, the first one is looking, we're looking as 1.1, 1.31, following by 1.4. Okay, this is not the target, this is the short-term target, but as I mentioned, what we are interested for the reversal as a short as a long-term trade. We want to see, the only thing is we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal. If I move to forward chart, can we expect this is the start of the reversal? Can we expect the price to retest the previous stop, or it can tend to any move similar to deeper correction similar to any of this? But it doesn't matter for us. Any reversal from now as a trade, if we get, I mean, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share, and whoever get the trade from this correction, they should start to manage, at least move their stop loss to break even. It depends on the strategy they use, and we want to see the breakout of this. So in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.